Hello future investors! Last video pinakita ko sa inyo yung 2-bedroom ni Loran Park. Pero today's video, ipapakita ko naman sa inyo yung studio unit ni Loran Park. So, upon entering, ito po is naka-wooden door siya and then may digital lock set na rin. So, itatap nyo po yung keycard nyo para mag-open. So, pasok tayo. Ayan. Upon entering, makikita nyo yung floor po ng studio natin is wooden porcelain plank. And then, dito yung located nyo for washer and dryer. So, provision lang po siya. And then, dito yung kitchen nyo. Ang deliverables naman dito is yung upper and lower cabinet, range hood, 2 burner, and then yung countertop. Ayan. And then, yung sink and faucet nyo na may pull-out spray. Ayan. And dito naman located yung dining area nyo. So, ito is customized lang siya. Dito tayo sa sleeping area. Ayan. Ang kasama sa sleeping area natin is itong modular cabinet and then yung provision for aircon. And then, ito po lahat is customized lang siya. Ayan. So, malawak yung sleeping area nyo for the studio. Ito yung toilet and bath for the studio. So, ang deliverables dito is itong ventilation natin. Itong homogeneous tiles and flooring is kasama na. Pati yung facial mirror. So, ito is half lang siya sa turnover. And then, kasama na yung lavatory nyo. And then, dito yung located ng water heater nyo. So, meron dyang provision. So, provided po siya ni unit owner. So, ito yung water closet. Yung bidet spray nyo. Towel holder, and then tissue rod kasama na. Then itong full glass shower enclosure is kasama na rin siya. And then yung shower niche nyo, ito kasama na rin. And then yung full setup shower is kasama na. Para sa mga gusto magpa-schedule para mag-showroom visit, ito po yung contact details ko and location ng showroom namin.